How to fix iCloud files not downloading on iPhone.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common problem that many iPhone users face: iCloud files not downloading. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you need those files urgently. But don't worry, we're going to walk you through some troubleshooting steps that can help you fix this issue. Remember, each device is unique, so one solution might work for some but not for others. It's all about trying these methods and seeing which one works for you.
Are you connected to the internet?
The first thing to check is your internet connection. iCloud requires an internet connection to download files, so make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Check if your Wi-Fi is on or if your cellular data is enabled. 3. Try browsing the web or using another app that requires internet to see if your connection is working properly.
Have you enabled iCloud Drive?
The next thing you want to do is make sure that iCloud Drive is enabled on your iPhone. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Tap on iCloud. 4. Make sure the toggle next to iCloud Drive is turned on.
Is there enough storage?
iCloud has limited storage. If you've reached your storage limit, you won't be able to download any more files until you free up some space. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Tap on iCloud. 4. Here you can see a graph of your iCloud storage. If it's full, you might need to delete some files or buy more storage.
Try signing out and signing back into iCloud.
If none of the above steps worked, try signing out of your iCloud account and signing back in. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Scroll down and tap on Sign Out. 4. After signing out, sign back into your iCloud account. Note, this process may take a few minutes as your iPhone will need to resync with iCloud. So, there you have it. These are some of the most common fixes for iCloud files not downloading on your iPhone. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your device updated to the latest version of iOS, as this can also help resolve many issues. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now able to access your iCloud files on your iPhone. If you still have problems, we recommend reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.